A popular feature of the Hanami tent at the Richmond Cherry Blossom Festival is the origami demonstration. Origami is a Japanese paper folding. The word origami is derived from two Japanese words, ori, folding, and kami, paper. A dedicated group of local volunteers, including Shizue Fukuda and Mieko Ushijima, have inspired hundreds of visitors to try their hand at creating traditional origami figures. Follow along to learn how to make a sakura, or cherry blossom flower.
Hi, I'm making origami, making a cherry blossom. First, this facing outside. So, first step, square paper, folding in half. Yeah, align end to end. Second step, making this, folding half. Third step, you open. This is the third step. We make this X mark. Fold end to middle. Yes, make a line. Then open. Then this end, point this point. Yes. Now you find the X mark right there. Yes, you can mark it. Then you hold, open end up. Okay. Then this end goes to this X mark. Then this end align to this line. Now, step 6. This end align to see the shape. Now, next step, you see the middle line? Go fold backwards. Backward. Yeah, you see this line? Now you cut this shape. Then you can open it. See? The difference, cherry blossom and the plum is like this. Plum doesn't have cut here. Cherry blossom, cut here. So this is cherry blossom. Yeah. You see this line, you stick one back together. Then the folding one by one. Then sort of a heart shape. This is okay to use it as a cherry blossom, but I want this shape. That's why I use one more step. Hold the edge. One more. Hold this edge. Then slowly open. This is a basic of cherry blossom, but don't you think this is, you feel it's kind of empty inside? So I add on this stuff. I dye with food coloring and make use cotton ball. I dye it. So just take some of this and glue onto here, the more like cherry blossom. This size of the flower, I use that size of the paper. Like it's all depends on how you dye the paper. This is a different effect, color. I spray the color into my paper. So then when you make cherry blossom, this kind of flower you can get. Or half pink, half white, or whatever you like, you just spray it. It's so easy. You don't have to buy it because you can find this kind of paper. So you can make it your own. That's the joy of making something your own.
Mark your calendars for spring 2023, when we hope you'll join us in person at Gary Point Park under the Hanami tent.